Hello everyone, welcome to Paul's Tech Room. So in this video we will be learning how to make a vertical dot plot chart using the sheet feature in Canva mobile. Okay, so we will understand it step by step. So please watch the entire video and like, subscribe and share the video if you find that this video is useful and you have learned something from it. But first, please watch the entire video. So the first step is to open the Canva mobile app, then click on sheet features, sheet options, then select blank design. After clicking on the blank design option, a blank workbook will appear on the mobile app. Okay, so first step is to click on the actions button. The actions button is located in the bottom left hand corner of the app. You can see here actions. Then under the action sheet actions option, select magic charts, then click on chart library, then select vertical dot plot chart under scatter and dot charts. After selecting the vertical dot plot chart, a vertical dot plot chart will appear in your blank workbook like this. Okay, so first we will discuss one by one the data tab and the customize tab. So under the data tab you will find a table or a tabular data which is displayed as a plot graph in your workbook. So basically this is the data. So if you want to change it, you can change it, or you can use this data to understand. So I will change here something, the campaign column. I will delete it. I will insert a new column, insert column before, and paste data, year data. Okay, I have actually inserted year wise data. So now we will see what my data indicates. Okay, so first column is the year column, second is the category column, and third is the signups column. Okay, so under the year column you can see 2010 years are given, and category email, social and events. Three categories are there: email, social and events. And under the sign up tab there are numeric data. Basically it indicates that in the year 2010 category email have 4 signups. In the year 2011 category email has 6 signups. In the year 2012 category email has 8 signups. 8 number of signups. Okay, 8 people have signed up in email in the year 2012. Likewise, in the year 2011 10 the category social has 8 signups. 2011 category social has 11 signups. In the year 2012 social has 12 signups, likewise and so on. Okay, next comes the events category. In the year 2010 events has 11 signups. In the year 2011 events has 15 signups. In the year 2012 events have 16 signups and so on. Okay, so this is all about the data. Now if you drag a bit, if you scroll down a bit, you will find the import data option. So if you have made your data earlier in any Google Sheet software or Excel workbook, you can directly import the data here. So the data will get imported into this table directly. Okay, this option is also available here. Next comes the transpose option. You can see 2 arrows are there, small. So if you click on this, the columnar data, the data which is there in column will get converted into rows, and the row data will get converted into columns. It will get swapped. Okay, so next comes the delete option. If you click on this small dustbin, all the tabular data will be deleted. Here in this table the data are there na, it will get deleted. Okay, so next comes the chart setup. Under the chart setup option you will find first is the x-axis. So in the x-axis what values to show? So in our x-axis what values we will show is category. So from the drop down menu you can select other options are also available: signups, but we will show category option. Okay, then comes y-axis, what values to show. In the y-axis, what values we will show is the sign-ups, number of sign-ups. Okay, next comes the size. So size is the basically you can see, for example, you are seeing here small circles are there. Okay, this is basically the size of the circle will depend on the number of sign-ups. So less sign-ups, the smaller the size of the circle. More sign-ups, the more is the bigger is the size of the circles. Okay, so under the size we will select sign-ups. See, the circle size have increased or decreased, okay, based on the number of sign-ups. Then we will color the circles by category. Okay, email is blue color, social is purple, and events is yellow. Okay, labels shown on hover. See, if we hover over any of the circle, the labels is category. Okay, so we will change it to year. Sorry, we will change the labels to year wise. Year. Okay, so now if we hover over any of the circle, click on any of the circle, see 2018 is the heading label of the hover. Okay, next comes the aggregate data. Under the aggregate data, the default option is chosen none, but you can do sum of the data, average, you can count the data, you can do maximum, minimum, and median calculations. Basic statistical calculations you can perform. So this is all about the data tab. Next comes the customize tab. Under the customize tab, first comes the text option. Under the text option, there is one option called legend. So it is by default off here, so we'll turn it on. See, legend means it will indicate the category color. See, for example, in your graph plot, you can see above, now the legend has come. Blue color is email, purple is social, and orange is events. So without the legend, nobody will understand what these colors indicate. Okay, blue, purple, and orange. So you have to turn it on. Always you have to keep it on. Next comes the title. You can add a title to your chart. You can add a subtitle also. So I will add a title first. Okay, I will give a title, say sign-ups. See, a title has appeared on your chart at the top, sign-ups. You can also add a subtitle, it will come underneath the title. You can add a source text also. For example, you have taken your data from any website or any document or any research paper, you can add the name of that source text, or you can link that document also here by clicking on this link option. Next comes the x-axis labels are already on. If I turn it off, see, it is gone. If I turn it on, it will appear email, social, and events, the names. Okay, labels means the names. X-axis title is not there. I will give a title for, say, category. Okay, see, category has appeared because email, social, and events are category. Next comes the y-axis, labels are on. Y-axis title is not there. I will give it sign-ups. See, y-axis labels has arrived, sign-ups is displayed. Sorry. Then comes the minimum and maximum option in the y-axis. The minimum and maximum is basically, for example, see, now the data in the y-axis is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Okay, the increments are 10, 10, 0 to 10, then plus 10, 20, plus 10, 30, plus 10, 40. So I can increase or decrease it also with the option minimum and maximum. Okay, for example, if I minimum is 0 and if I want to increase the maximum, for example, here maximum is 40. Now if I increase it to 50, see, 50 has arrived. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, next comes the increments. I will reset the increments. Increments are nothing, but it will increase or decrease the in between values. For example, between 0 to 10, no data is there. Okay, no value is displayed in the y-axis. If we increment it, see now, if we increment it up to 9, then 0 to 5 is also displayed, 5, then 10, 15 is also displayed, after 20, 25 is displayed, likewise. Okay, I will reset it. Next comes the settings. Under settings you will get grid lines. By default it is turned on. Grid lines are the horizontal and vertical lines which you can see in the middle of the chart. Tooltips are basically nothing. Filters, you can filter your data. Okay, now I will explain what is the filters. So if you want to see only the email or social or events data, you can filter the data. Okay, now by default all the categories are displayed on the chart. If I select data, if I want to filter my data with category, okay, you can select signups also. Okay, I will choose category. Then comes the style. What is the style of the filter? Okay, buttons is there, range slider is there, so I will keep it buttons. Interactive color I will give red, because red is well displayed. Settings, allow multiple selections, turn it on. Okay, now I will explain what is the filters. See, underneath the signups, underneath the title of the chart, a button is displayed. Email, social and events, 3 buttons are displayed according to the category. Okay, so if I want to see only the email data now, just click on email. See, only the email data is displayed. If I want to see the social data, click on social, but you have to again click on email to turn the email off. Only social data is displayed. Now if you want to see both social and events, just click on events. See, social and events data are displayed. Now if you want to see only the events, again click on social. Social will get removed, only the events data is displayed now. So this is basically the filter options. If you want to see both the three, then again click on email, social. See, all the 3 categories are displayed. So this is all about the filter options and the customized tab. Okay, next comes the color options. By default the color of the chart is white, so white color is displayed first. You can see at the bottom of the app. Okay, next comes the blue color. If you click on it, you can change it. Many colors are there, and at the left hand side, extreme left, you have got a gradient also. Okay, then comes the category color. First is the blue color is for the email, second purple is for the social, and yellow is for the events. You can change it also. Okay, now comes the spacing. Spacing is basically the border surrounding the chart. If you increase it, the border will increase. You will get more spacing to add title, subtitle within your chart. Then comes the marker. See, the marker is basically the circles, the data which are displayed. You can change the shape also. For example, here data is displayed with circles, representing circles. If I want to change it, I can change it to square, diamond, triangle and star. Okay, you can increase the marker size also, the size of the stars or circles or the mark. This is called the markers. And you can increase or decrease the marker transparency also. If you slide or move the slider to the right, transparency will increase. If you move the slider to the left, transparency will decrease. I will keep it to 100. So next comes the font, text styles, font size, color, format, transparency of the fonts. These are basically all the fonts which are displayed. You can change the format, color, size, transparency and all. Layers is no option in Canva sheets. Then comes the position, it is also of no use. Then comes the nudge. With the help of nudge option, you can move the chart with the help of buttons to the left, to the top, to down or to the right. Next comes three dots, more option. You can copy here, copy the chart. You can copy the style of the chart if you want. You can copy paste the chart. You can duplicate the chart. You can delete the entire chart by using this more option. You can comment, add a comment to your chart. You can log the chart. You can log the position and appearance, only the position and appearance of the chart. You can link an external document or website. You can add an alternative text also. You can download selected parts of the chart, or you can translate the text which is displayed. Okay, everything you can do from this three dots option. So now this is all about the vertical dot plot chart. Now I will show you how to download this chart. Okay, for to download this chart, at the top of your right hand corner of your app you can see a up arrow. Just click on it, click on download. See, file type you have to select first. You can select JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG. I will suggest you select CSV option, because if you download in CSV or XLSX, you can open it in any other Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel software. Okay, so I will recommend you download it CSV format or XLSX format. Just select it and click on download. It will take a few time. See, after download is complete, a dialog box will appear. You have to just click on open, and you have to make sure that you have a installed Excel workbook software in your mobile, or Canva app is installed on your mobile to open this workbook. So thanks for watching the video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.